How to create a video on ChatGPT. Here's how to do it step by step, even if you're using the free version. Step 1. Open ChatGPT and sign in to your account. If you want the smoothest workflow, GPT-4 with tools works best. But you can also do this for free by combining ChatGPT with a video tool. Step 2. In the chat, type something like write a 60-second video script explaining how solar panels work in simple terms. ChatGPT will generate a full script with dialogue or narration you can use. Step 3. Open a free text-to-video tool like Pictory AI or HeyGen.com. Sign up for a free account. Step 4. Paste your ChatGPT script into the tool. It will auto-generate a video with stock footage or an AI avatar reading your lines. You can customize styles, music, and layout. Step 5. Check the preview and make small edits. Once you're happy, export the video. Most tools offer limited free downloads or watermarked videos on a free plan.